Hello and welcome. In today's session, we're going to break down one of the most widely used tools in technical analysis, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. By the end of this video, you'll understand what RSI is, how it works, and how traders use it to make better decisions in the market. Let's dive right in. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. It's a momentum oscillator. That means it measures how fast and how strongly a security's price is moving. Developed by J. Wells Wilder Jr. in 1978, RSI is used to assess whether a stock or asset is overbought or oversold, conditions that often precede price corrections or trend reversals. RSI is calculated using the average gains and losses over a specific time period, usually 14 periods by default. Here's the simplified formula. RSI equals 100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus RS, where RS equals average gain divided by average loss. This gives you a value between 0 and 100. If RSI is above 70, the asset may be considered overbought. If RSI is below 30, it may be oversold. But remember, these are signals, not guarantees. Let's interpret RSI levels more closely. RSI above 70. Price may have risen too quickly. A reversal or pullback could be near. RSI below 30. Price may have dropped too fast. A rebound might be coming. However, during strong trends, RSI can stay overbought or oversold for extended periods. That's why context matters. Here are a few smart ways to use RSI in your analysis. 1. Confirm trend strength. A rising RSI supports a strong uptrend, while a falling RSI suggests weakness. 2. Spot potential reversals. Look for divergences. For example, if the price makes a new high but RSI makes a lower high, it could signal a weakening trend. 3. Identify entry and exit points. Combine RSI with other indicators or chart patterns to improve timing. No tool is perfect, and that includes RSI. False signals can occur, especially in volatile or sideways markets. RSI works best when combined with other tools, like moving averages or volume indicators. So use it as part of a broader trading strategy, not in isolation. To summarize, the RSI is a powerful momentum indicator that helps traders identify potential overbought or oversold conditions and forecast possible trend reversals. It's simple, widely available, and easy to understand. But it's most effective when used alongside other forms of technical and fundamental analysis. Keep practicing, backtest your strategy, and always manage your risk. Thanks for watching this educational session on RSI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your fellow learners. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay disciplined in your trading journey. Professor Rahul Jain.